Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create the gesture capture app in MIT App Inventor. So here you can see that's the app here, okay? And whenever I do the scroll up or scroll down, this wallpaper change accordingly. Like suppose if I will do the scroll up, like when I do the from my finger, from the mouse, like this, the scroll up. So you will always find the cat's image. See, this will change again cat image. If I will do the scroll down, okay, it's called scroll up. When I do the scroll down, so I will get the random dog's image. If I will do the swipe side or left or right, so I will get another all nature image. If I will do the right, so I'll get the anime image. So this is the gesture app, okay, and in this app, using this method, you can create some amazing apps like scrolling the reel effect, or you can do some screen changing option, like whenever you do the scroll up, so your screen will change. Okay, so you can do a lot of things using this method. So let me show you how you can do that. So let's start this project. So this MIT App Inventor, click on new project, and my project name is like gesture app. This is our app screen. Okay, now in this screen I'm going to use here one layout. Simple is like vertical arrangement like this. Okay, and I'll make this hide and this fill parent like this, and I'm going to use here one image also. Click on user interface and just use the image like this, and make this one is also with and hide is fill parent. Done. Now what I need one extension, okay, to perform this action, and that extension name is gesture detect. So I'm going to download the AX file from here. Just download this. Now let's go to the MIT App Inventor, and in the left side you'll find the extension option. Click on import extension, click on choose file app, and let's click on import. Now just drag and drop this extension here, and let's go to the block section. So what I will do here, whenever I need to see, that's the methods here. Whenever you call the layouts, first you need to call the layout, okay, which layout you're performing this action. Okay, so it's simple, is like I'm gonna set this on the screen initialization, like screen initialize. I'll set layout, and which layout is just a vertical arrangement like this. It's done. Now okay, now we need to perform the action. Like once the people detect the on click, then what will happen? Once the people detect the our app will detect the double click, long click, swipe down, left, right, and up. Okay, so let's see. Swipe down. Okay, so just call it here, and I want, like, what I needed, I want to change the images, so I need a multiple images. So how can I get that? So this is really simple. Example is that I'm going to use the Pixabay. This I have a free image, so I'm going to use the image link here. Okay, so just open like this, and what we need to do here, you can choose any images. Okay, so let's suppose this dog image. So right click on this and copy the image address. Make sure copy the image address just like this. Go to the MIT App Inventor, okay, and click on the image option component and set image.picture like this, and use the text field. Okay, and drag and drop this text field here, delete this, and paste the URL here. You will find the .jpg URL of image like this. Okay, you can open this image, or you can download the image using this. This is the image we are uploading here. Okay, this is the URL we are uploading. We are not uploading the whole image here. We're just using the URL. So this URL will automatically fetch that image to in our image.picture. Okay, so once I do the swipe up down, so I'll see the dog image, but I need a multiple images. Okay, so how can I get that? So I'm gonna create the list. So here you find the list. Let's make a list. I need one variable. So let's suppose the variable name is suppose dog image. Okay, and make a list is, I'll see, just create a list like this. So you can add multiple images here. Okay, like just see the items like this, okay, and I just need to copy paste like this 4 times, 3 times, whatever, like this and like this. This will not increase the app size also, because we are using the URL, so we can use multiple images here. So now you just need to find the dog images, just dog, and you can get that. And make sure you can, what you can choose the orientation should be like, this should be the vertical, so it will look more cool in our phone. Vertical, okay, yeah, it's cool. So let's right click, copy image address, let's go to the MIT App Inventor and change the URL. Done. Now you have to do again and again for 4 times, and now we have the dog images. Okay, now when I do the scroll down, then I got the dog images. If I want to do scroll up, so I need a cat images. So how can I get that? It's simple is that, like, same thing you have to do again 4 times, is like swipe up. Okay, say on swipe up. So same thing we have to apply is like that image like this, but now I will get only one image. So how can I get the all these images? So I'll use the list and I'll use the random picker. See, you'll find the random pick and I'll call it here. And from where I need to call this random, from the dog images, this one is done, right? So whenever someone do the swipe down, so this method will pick the random dog image from that list. You can add multiple lists here, right? When I do the swipe up, so same method we need to apply. It's like random list, and from which list? So I'm gonna just copy and paste this, and I'm gonna change the name of that cat image. Okay, cat image, and I'm gonna change here to the cat image. So I just need to change the images here, like I have the cat, then again I need to just add the cat image here and just copy the image address, go to the MIT App Inventor and paste the URL here. You can add multiple URL. The same thing you have to do 2 times more. For what? Like we need to add the nature image and the anime image, or you can add anything, any image you can add. Okay, this is so I'll just add the anime, and another one is I'm gonna nature image. Okay, anime image, nature image. So I need to just change the URL, and we need to do again, like these are the some, like done. Then we have that swipe down, swipe up, so we need here swipe left and swipe right also. So you can use on long click or swipe click like this. So I'm going to use here like this and like this again. Okay, and I'm going to just change to the this one is for nature, and swipe right to the anime. That's it. So you just need to change the URL here. I already have some URL here, so what I will do, I'm going to use here backpack. I already have created this app, so I have some URL over here. These are the URL I have. Okay, like this. Done. So I'm going to change this. So this is the overall app that we have created, and that's it. Okay, so using this method, using this gesture, you can do some other actions also. Okay, you can perform some other action. You can change the layout color, you can change the image, you can change the component, lot of things you can do. So that's the amazing app that we have created. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.